In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Zillow results by newest listings on desktop. If you're actively browsing for a place, getting the newest homes at the top saves time and helps you spot opportunities before they're gone. Start by opening your desktop browser and going to Zillow.com. In the search bar on the homepage, type the location you're interested in. This can be a city, a zip code, or even a specific neighborhood. Press Enter, and Zillow will load a results page with a map on one side and a list of homes on the other. Give it a moment if your internet connection is slow, as images and map data can take a second to populate. Now, focus on the controls at the top of the listings area. Above the homes, you'll see a row of options for narrowing and organizing your search. Look for the Sort drop-down next to the filters. Depending on your screen size, you might see it labeled as Sort or Sort By. If your browser window is very narrow, maximize it or zoom out slightly, as the sort control can shift position when space is tight. Click the Sort drop-down to open the sorting choices. In the menu, select Newest or Newest Listings. This is the option that tells Zillow to reorder the results so the most recently added homes appear first. Once you select it, the list will refresh. You'll notice the top entries now show properties that were just listed, often with labels indicating how recently they went live. At this point, you're done. Your results are arranged from freshest to oldest, making it easier to keep up with what's new in your chosen area. If you add or change filters later, like price, bedrooms, or home type, Zillow will typically keep your newest sorting in place. If you ever see the list no longer starting with the latest properties, simply revisit the Sort dropdown and reselect Newest. A couple of quick tips while you browse. The sorting applies to whatever area is currently in view, so if you move the map or change locations, the list will update accordingly. Also, be mindful that some listings can appear at the top if they were recently updated. That's normal and still helpful for catching fresh changes. That's all it takes. Go to Zillow, run your search, open the Sort drop-down, and choose Newest. With that setting, you'll always see the latest listings first and stay ahead in your home search.